Expedition 24 flight engineers Fyodor Yurchikhin, Doug Wheelock, and Shannon relocated their Soyuz TMA-19 spacecraft on June 28th from the aft end of the Zvezda Service Module to the Rassvet module, which was installed in May. Yurchikhin manually docked the Soyuz to Rassvet at 3:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the first ever link-up to the module. The move opens the aft port of Zvezda for the arrival of a new unpiloted Russian Progress resupply craft carrying food, fuel, and supplies on July 2nd.
Got the mechanical capture.
Docking confirmed at 2:38 p.m. Central Time.
Page 73. Mating. Congratulations. Thank you. Now mating. Please proceed mating. Page 73.
Hooks and latches now will begin to engage once the docking probe is retracted to form a hard mate between the Soyuz TMA-19 and the Rassvet module. The first ever docking to Rassvet now complete.
Moscow talking about the probe. Go ahead. Please cover it to the electrical control. Copy and back.
The visiting vehicle officer here in Mission Control reports that the electrical connections have been made between the Soyuz and the Rassvet module. Now, this is Mission Control Houston standing by for final confirmation of hooks and latches engaging.
The hooks position showing the hooks are.
And as we speak, the visiting vehicle officer has now confirmed hooks and latches are closed. A hard mate now established between the Soyuz TMA-19 and the new Rassvet module, the first ever docking to the new Rassvet now complete. To recap, today's relocation of the Soyuz from the aft port of the Zvezda Service Module to the new Rassvet module was delayed about an hour and 15 minutes, almost one revolution of the Earth, based on a circuit breaker failure that delayed the latching of one of the solar arrays on the P4 truss of the International Space Station from taking place.